Rearguard Falls Provincial Park is located in Fraser, Fort George, British Columbia, Canada. Just for reference, that's about an hour west of Jasper National Park. This free-to-enter provincial park is about 46 hectares or 113 acres large, and it's located right on the Fraser River. It is known for the Chinook salmon that spawn here in the late summer and fall. Rearguard Falls is usually the end of the line for their long 1,200-kilometer journey, where you can see them trying to climb the falls. We were there on August 7th, and we did not see any salmon, but we did walk the easy 0.8 of a kilometer hike one way to view these beautiful cascades. Hey, do us a favor and like this video and subscribe. It's free to you and it helps us out a ton. It helps out our small little channel grow. We would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Once you get closer to the falls, the trail turns into a boardwalk where you can get up close views of these beautiful falls. I love the color. It's like a mint green or something. I can't put my... These falls were so beautiful. We can only imagine what the Chinook salmon look like jumping up them. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you following our road trip from Florida to Vancouver, Canada, where we got on a cruise ship and sailed the Inside Passage of Alaska, this was day 19. The day before, we had gotten off our cruise ship in Vancouver and did boring things like laundry and driving all the way to our Glacier Mountain Lodge in Blue River, British Columbia, where we plan on heading into Jasper National Park today. And on our way to Jasper National Park is where we stopped at Rearguard Falls Provincial Park. We also go to Mount Robson Provincial Park and then further into Jasper, but those will be for future videos. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.